Installing a simple swap drive and drive cage, bay 0 and 1. Note: install the drive bay 0 cage first, and then proceed to install the drive bay 1 cage. Align the drive bay 0 cage with the slots in the chassis, and then install it. Make sure the drive cage is seated correctly in the chassis. Fasten the screws that secure the drive bay 0 cage to the chassis. Install the front bezel. Slide the drive bay 1 cage downward until the 4 hooks on both drive cages are fully engaged. To install a drive into the drive retainer, align the 4 holes on the drive with the corresponding pins on the retainer, and then install the 2.5-inch or 3.5-inch drive into the retainer. Make sure the retainer handles are facing upward and firmly push the drive assembly into the drive bay to ensure it is seated correctly. Install a 2.5-inch drive assembly into bay 1 and a 3.5-inch drive bay assembly into drive bay 0. Connect the signal and power cables. Install the server cover.